Everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you one of my favorite tricks or my favorite features that Capcut has. So now let me show you. Let me open Capcut and tab on new project. Now I'll choose few images from here. So one of the features that I really like and is very useful and really saves me a lot of time is when I select the image, I go to remove background and it will remove the background in just a few seconds. That's very useful. You can save this image, or you can now tab on overlay and add overlay, and behind this image you can simply add a background. And that's very useful. And now we can add this image behind this photo. It's very easy. So go to main track, tab on main track, and I'll select this image and go to overlay, tab on overlay, and I'll just move this over this image, change the size, move it a little bit, and now look easy. Right, and another really powerful feature on this app that I use sometimes is when I have a video and in that video there's an audio with someone talking. You can simply go to text and then tap on auto captions, and that's very useful. You don't have to write the captions, okay? You don't have to do it by it's simply created, auto created, so you don't have to do anything. Because if you have to do that by yourself, yeah, it takes a lot of time to simply write the captions for your videos. So that's why this option, it's very useful in this app. It saves a lot of time. And now we have captions. As you can see here, we have captions, auto-generated. A tip for you guys, sometimes these captions won't work if you actually this line, you know, like this, if it's right in the beginning. If I tap now on auto captions and the line is right in the beginning, it worked now, but sometimes it doesn't work. That's why I recommend this line to be around in this video, okay, not in the beginning, just in the middle of the video or somewhere. And now another useful option in Capcut is to use transitions. When you tab on split, you split a video, then you have now an option to add a transition. This white squares with the cross in the, not with the cross, the line in the middle. Tab on it, and now you can add a lot of you have a lot of options here, and pretty good options. Social media or MG. How to paint. There's a lot of options here. Mask. I like this steering paper. Transition. Pretty good. Project. Increase the time. So let's go to Capcut, and here let's stop. So guys, these are my favorite features or tricks on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.